Do you want to know if Best Wallet really is a great anonymous Bitcoin and crypto wallet? Then this video is for you. My name's Michael and I made money online for years, and I have also made quite a few videos about different ways to earn crypto, and Best Wallet recently then reached out to me and asked me to take a look at their crypto wallet and share it with my audience. So therefore I recorded this video here where I will show you exactly what it offers so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you. So let's start by going over the basics of what Best Wallet is, and it is a crypto wallet that is available for both Android and iOS devices, and it is anonymous, so it does not require you to do any ID verification, or also called KYC, and some people like that, and then Best Wallet definitely is an option. And you can also go to the website, and here you can see more about all the different features it has. In this video here I'll focus mainly on the wallet, but it also does have its own token. You can find more information about that on the website. It can also give you some benefits when you are using the wallet. Whether you want to get that or not, that's something you have to decide for yourself. Now you know that it's not just a wallet, but it also has this token there. But let's go over more about the different features it offers. So one thing I think is great about Best Wallet is it's a multi-chain, as you can see it says on the website also. So that basically means that you can buy and sell thousands of cryptos on more than 50 different networks and chains, so that can definitely be great. But it has a lot of other things it offers here. They have a great overview. You can of course buy and store it, deposit, send, swap, all the regular things you can do with an app, and you can read all about it here. And also here, as I mentioned, that for example their own token there can give some benefits of, for example, if you hold the best token, then you will have reduced transaction fees. So you can read all about here some of the benefits that it gives there. And one thing that I find, for example, is quite interesting if you are into new tokens or pre-sales or so, they have this what they call token Launchpad. So that means that inside the app itself they actually make it quite easy to get that. So let me just log in and then I'll show you exactly how you can do that, where you can find it, and also how you in general can easily, for example, buy, sell crypto inside. So I have now logged in, and you can see here the tokens. That's like the main tokens there. You can also manage tokens. It has a lot more here. If you, for example, wanted to buy or sell, then you could just go to the trade section there, and here you would be able to buy, and you could choose there which one, and then you can scroll through and you can see it has a lot of different cryptos you can buy and sell and store here. So definitely it makes it possible to get a lot of different cryptos, but not just the main cryptos, also a lot of smaller cryptos, and also, as mentioned, upcoming tokens or pre-sales. So whether you're into pre-sales or not, that's something you have to decide yourself, but you can come in here and easily you can choose it. You can see the different options, you can click it and you can buy it here inside the app and hold it inside the app. So it makes it quite easy compared to some other platforms. If you are interested in pre-sales where you have to go and you have to connect a wallet and all these different things, here you can actually do it inside the app itself. So very easy whether you want to, for example, buy, sell, or you want to invest in these pre-sales. That's definitely something that is very user-friendly in my opinion. So other than that, you can also see the other options here where you can just manage your portfolio there. You see you can also stake even inside. You can also spend with the best card there, and you can see you will also get lower fees there if you, for example, hold or stake the best token. They have iGaming. They have some cooperation with different iGaming partners there. So that's something you're interested in. They also give you access to that. So they have all these different options, a whole ecosystem there. So if you're interested in it, then go and check that out, read about the different options it has. And it also does have some airdrops. You can also read about that on the website. They basically, airdrops is where they give you different cryptos and you can participate in these different quests and refer friends to claim these different shares of the airdrops. A lot of this information is something you can find on their socials, so if that's something you're interested in, you can check that out. And if you want to know what they have planned for the future, you can also go to the website and you can scroll down and you can see the Best Wallet roadmap. They explain all about the different phases, what they're rolling out and what they're planning that will come later there. So they definitely have a lot of plans, which is always great to see. So as mentioned, Best Wallet, they had asked me to check it out and share it with you, my audience there. So now I've given you a good overview. I think it looks quite interesting. If you want to know more about it, if you want to check it out yourself, I will leave a link below so you can go and check it out, read more about it. Also, if you have any thoughts about yourself, if you go check it out, please feel free to share your thoughts, your opinions about it in the comments below. That would be great to hear. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.